if 27 to the power of m plus 2 equals 9 to the power of 2m minus 1 over 2, we are to find the value of m that will satisfy this equation here. First, I put here solution. I bring the question here. 27 to the power of m plus 2 equals 9 to the power of 2m minus 1 over 2. Here, the first step to be considered is to express both sides of the equation in the same base. We have 27 here and 9 here. We can as well express 27 and 9 in base 3. Then in that case, the equation becomes 3 to the power of 3, but to give us 27. When you multiply it by the already existing power of m plus 2, when base equals 9 to base 3, give us 3 to the power of 2, and you multiply it by already existing power of 2m minus 1 over 2. Here now, since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. Then as such, the equation becomes 3 into m plus 2 equals 2 into 2m minus 1 over 2. The next step to be considered here is to clear out the bracket. How are you going to do that? By multiplying each term inside the bracket by the numbers outside the bracket. Then here we are going to have a 3 multiplied by m, that to give us 3m. Then 3 multiplied by plus 2, that give us plus 6 equals here 2 multiplied by 2m, that to give us 4m. Then here 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2, that will give us minus 1. Then the next step to be taken is to collect like terms. And if you do that, you are going to have here that 3m, if you move plus 4m from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4m equals minus 1. If you move plus 6 from the left to the right, it becomes negative 6. Then here, we simplify this. We have here 3m minus 4m, that to give us minus m equals here minus 1 minus 6, that to give us minus 7. Then again, the next step to be taken here is to divide both sides of the equation through by negative 1. Here you divide by minus 1, divide here by minus 1. Then here, minus, you eliminate minus here, and we have 1m divided by 1, that still give us m. Then equals negative, will eliminate negative here, 7 divided by 1, that still give us 7. Therefore, m equals 7, and this is the value of m that will satisfy this exponential equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.